Hi, I'm Kate, and this is Kate Learns Something. Today we're in Open Space Art Gallery in Ottawa, and I'm going to learn how to make a mock blown glass art sculpture. Come on! Today we're here with Amanda in Open Space Art Gallery, and what are we doing today?
So we are going to make a sculpture that is inspired by the glass blowing artist Shrinky.
Oh, awesome.
So these are some examples of what we're gonna make, and there's a couple different ways you can do it, but this way is used with Shrinky Dink paper. So Shrinky Dink paper, you take it and cut it into, I like to do one big strip, and then I'll cut a few just straight little strips of it. You're gonna start coloring it in. So do you wanna color with me?
Yeah,
all right.
absolutely.
So any Sharpie, I use like a acrylic paint marker, and sometimes that gives you a little bit more vibrant look, and the Sharpies are gonna be a little bit more of a transparent look. So once you've got your strips all colored in, you get to heat them up. And I've just got a toaster oven here. I'm just gonna put a piece of parchment paper into the toaster oven, and this is so the Shrinky Dink paper doesn't stick to my toaster oven. And it happens fairly quickly. You don't even have to close it. This is a mason jar lid. This is the cool part. You get to decide where you want everything. And just get some hot glue, put it on the lid. If you wanna make any adjustments, this is a heat gun, kind of just like a blow dryer. Yeah, that is how we make a sculpture inspired by Chihuly.
Well, I learned something new today. I hope you did too. See you next time.